Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading at 1874. Price has moved up a little bit today, and it's going to get interesting here now. So we're going to take a look at that because that ABC structure that I have labeled here is probably getting close to completion. Yeah. And then we need to look at, okay, does the wave 2 indeed finish, or do we get an extended correction? But first of all, the idea is still that 5 waves rallied. Yeah, price rallied in 5 waves of the 15th of June low. That is fairly bullish. And we're currently watching for a 3-wave pullback in a wave 2. I indicated before that I expect this wave 2 to end between 1702 and 1843. We could refine that further by identifying the following things. So first of all, we looked at the following support levels. We said, okay, 1843 is typically not the level, or would not be the level where we expect it really to finish. But it is a level to watch because that's a 38.2 fib level, a bit too shallow to complete an entire wave 2 here, but possible. Okay, 1802 seems more likely. It is the 50% retracement. It is usually the level where a wave 2 at the minimum gets to. Okay, crypto likes to do deep wave 2s. Now you always need to be ready that sometimes a wave 2 is not so deep, but in most cases, it's all probabilities, my friends. In most cases, a wave 2 is deep. So minimum 50% retracement, and it seems like we get one more low, because one more low could give us all the waves that we need to complete this ABC structure. I currently would expect one more low in the C wave, okay, in this ABC structure. ABC, yeah, and that could complete the wave 2. What I have labeled here as an alternative with a question mark, and I should really highlight that in yellow, with a question mark, is an extended correction after this ABC, because it is quite shallow, and even with one more low, okay, if it reaches the 50% fib level, that's fine. But Ethereum in the past has shown it likes to reach the 61.8 retracement, yeah, the golden ratio, which would be at 1762. 1761. If that next drop is not enough to correct the entire price action that started on the 15th of June, then we might get an extended correction in a WXY. Here you can see exactly what a WXY is. So the ABC seems to be a zigzag structure here. Typical ABC corrective structure. Simple, standard correction. However, a WXY correction consists of 2 ABC structures with basically a connecting corrective wave in between. So you would have a double zigzag, for example, where the W wave is an ABC, the Y wave is an ABC. So all of that stuff that happens here would happen here on the right hand side again. And the X wave could be anything, could be a triangle, could be any corrective wave really. Also another ABC, for example, right? But they can be sharp in an X wave. So we have an ABC nearly complete. So that means we need to be watching after the next low if a low is made. We already see some buying power come back as a reaction to our support levels. You never know. I mean, it could go higher from here, but as long as price stays below roughly 1895, 1900, the last swing high here, yeah, as long as price stays below it, another low is expected. However, if we see a break above 1900, yeah, that would also break above the A wave low, then it might indicate a low is already in, okay? But at the moment, I would expect one more low for wave 2, and we need to be watching. If the next move up is not an impulse, then we deal with the WXY. The WXY cannot be primary expectation because it's a sort of an imperfect pattern. It's not great. It's a bit of a messy one, but if it will unfold, if the next rally to the upside is not impulsive. So if we really complete the wave 2 here and start in a third wave, then the rally should really be impulsive that follows. If it isn't, we're probably dealing with an extended correction. Yeah, and I think a really good indication that the third wave rally has started, which would occur after the wave 2. Now, third wave rally into the $2,400, $2,500 region, that would be a break above the B wave high. And that would be at 1960. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.